Hello, I'm Tom Brennan, and you are?
Brian Johnson.
And together, we the Naked Chefs with a new meaning. Jannie Olivier en Pops. Nou wat nou maar, ons gaan nou kos maak. What you got there, Pops?
Bread pudding.
And how did you make the bread pudding?
Well, first of all, you must use bread that's not fresh. You cut the crust off, and you butter it, and put apricot jam on, and on top of that you sprinkle raisins, and you do that for about 3 layers. And then you beat up an egg with some milk, and you pour the whole lot over the top, and Bob's your uncle. As they say in England, you know what? What maak jy hier, Jannie?
Well, we're doing our own stir-fry. The rechte Jannie Olivier stir-fry. You got cabbage, you got butternut, you got sweet potatoes. But there's no braai without the boerewors. So we just chopped up some boerewors here, stirred our pot, stirred in. And we still got some more sweet potato and butternut to come.
Let me stir it in.
Stir it in there, bro. And we've got some sweet chili. Somewhere by Wellington. All down the road from Fischhoek to Wellington. You just put some Wellingtons. Lekker daar. Lekker. Look at that. And now for the rest of our... And don't forget everything from Pick n Pay, McCain's Garden Peppers.
Gooi die goeders in.
Gooi die goeders in daar. Daar gaat jy. Sommer lekker stir-fry hierso. So just put that to one side and keep stirring it. Hey, take this off. Yeah, here's a... Now why do we use cabbage? Because of the Irish descendants. They normally boil it, but here in South Africa we can braai it.
Dit lyk soos 'n Engelse man, potjie kos.
We're going to cut some more with this. And after this, we've got some of Pops' bread pudding coming up. Hey, Pops, I think we can put that bread pudding on now.
Okay, here we go.
And we've got everything here right now. What have we got, Pops?
We've got a bread pudding, baked potatoes, and a mixed veggie and meat, boerewors stew. Is it?
We don't know. I call it a stir-fry from Fischhoek. Look at the camera, brother. I'm Jannie Olivier, and he's Pops.